Alright, you're going to cut 3 pieces of your fold over elastic. The long piece will be for the headband, and in our video description you can see the different sizes to cut. My headband is going to be for a newborn, and so I've cut mine to 13 inches. And then the second piece will be a little bit shorter, and this will be for the bow. I've cut mine to 6 inches, and you can do that bigger or smaller depending on the size of the bow that you want. And the last piece is 2 inches, and this will be to go around the bow. And make sure that you do cut, after you cut, you've sealed your ends with a lighter or your preferred method. And now first what we're going to do is make the headband. So take your fold over elastic and place the ends together, making sure that the shiny side or the printed side is touching. And then take your needle and thread, and mine is doubled, and you're going to just stitch a few stitches into the end of the elastic. And then go ahead and take a couple stitches to make sure it's secure. Okay, so your elastic headband is ready. Next we're going to make the bow. And so take the 6-inch piece of your elastic. We're going to fold it over so the wrong side is touching the right side. And then I'm going to stitch through just like we did, but through all of the pieces. And again, I've doubled my thread. Just to keep it more secure. Finish it off. Okay, now our bow is done, and we're going to hot glue it onto the center of the seam piece of your headband. Now that our bow is finished, we're just going to go ahead and finish it off with our 2-inch piece of elastic. So turn it so the back side seam is showing. We're going to place glue along the seam and then a little bit along the edges. And then place your 2-inch piece with the shiny side up, or the print side up. And then wrap it around, and then place a little bit of glue on the end of the elastic all along the edge, and then go ahead and place it on the back of the elastic, and then press to secure. And you're all finished with your fold over elastic headband bow.